I have here two gifts, but you can only choose one. Now, which one would you choose? Despite having the exact same thing inside, if you're like most people, you would choose this gift simply because of the way it looks. Now, like it or not, we are all judged on our packaging to some degree. But I would like to show you a few tips and tricks today that can teach you to look your best, build confidence, and make a good first impression. Now, when it comes to looking your best, clothing is a big part of that, as oftentimes clothing is the first thing that people will notice about you. It's great to know which colors you look best in. Do you look best in warm tones, or do you look best in cool tones? Try and hold up a few pieces of your wardrobe in front of the mirror and see which are most flattering with your skin tone, your hair color, and your eye color. Another tip that I have is there something that you wear that people always compliment you when you're wearing it? It's likely because the color is a really flattering color on you. So look at your wardrobe a little bit differently when in terms of color. Now next, what are the staples of your wardrobe? Now, it's important to have properly fitting clothes, not too loose and not too tight. You want to have clothes that are tailored and becoming to your body and your body type. Now, there are a few things that you can do to accentuate the positive and eliminate the negative. For instance, if you don't want to look too wide, you want to avoid horizontal stripes. And if you would like to look a little bit taller or leaner, that's why high heels and vertical stripes were invented. No matter your body type, there are ways that you can find flattering clothes for your body. Now, aside from being comfortable and clean, you want to make sure to have a closet full of classic clothes that you can get a lot of use out of, and then introduce pieces of trendy clothes or accessories that show off your personality, the things that you like, what represents you. But if you're wearing too many trendy things at once, chances are people won't be seeing the person that's wearing the clothes. They will only be seeing the clothes. Now, determine what kind of occasion you are going to. Is it casual, business casual, formal, church dress? One tip that I have for you is to always dress up a level. It's better to look a little bit better than everybody at an event rather than a little bit worse than everybody at an event. Now, wrap it all together with great accessories. Accessories are like the cherry on top. They give you that really polished look, whether it's a hat, a scarf, or earrings, or a watch. Accessories are a great way to polish up an outfit and make it look all put together. But my favorite accessory is confidence. Confidence is everyone's best accessory. It's really hard to be confident all the time, so sometimes we have to use the fake it till you make it methodology. So what we think we are, we can become. If you act more confident, eventually you will be more confident. You give off a more confident air. A great way to show people that you're confident and to practice your confidence is to smile. As Annie says, you're never fully dressed without a smile. So practice putting a smile on your face. It gives you an air of confidence. Another thing to do to be confident is have good eye contact and a firm handshake. Those things help others see you as a more confident person. And lastly, with confidence, what kind of vibe are you giving off? What does your body language say? What are you telling people without your words? Maybe have a little conversation with yourself in the mirror so that you can see, what is my face doing? What is my body language saying? What is my posture telling people that I am not meaning to say? And you can work on it from there and build your confidence that way. Now, once you have the clothes, once you have the confidence, you will be prepared to make a great first impression. We give an impression of ourselves no matter where we go. If it's at church or school or work out in public, and especially in an interview, it's important to present our best selves. So you want to have proper self-care at an interview. Make sure that things like messy hair, dirty clothes, or yucky fingernails are not detracting from the person that you are in the interviewer's eyes. That's a great way to make a good first impression. If you exude confidence, have a fashionable outfit, and you look like you take good care of yourself, then an interviewer will be more impressed with you. Put it all together to become this polished package. When you feel good on the outside, you'll feel better on the inside, and vice versa. It's important not to neglect either one. Now, while the Lord looketh on the heart, we mere mortals tend to look on the outward vessel. So do yourself a favor and make sure that this outward vessel is one that you want to show the world in order to present your best self. Thank you and good luck.